everyone. So, yeah, right now, um, maglilinis tayo ng microwave. So, try ko lang yung napanood ko sa um, YouTube. YouTube, as they call it. So, they've just said, just put 1 cup of water. And then, if you have line down, you can use it. Or, pwede rin vinegar. So, a couple of tablespoon. And, alam niyo ba na may funny story ang hirap naman nito. May funny story ang tablespoon sa buhay ko. Kasi all this time, I thought spoon lang ang tawag dito. And then, when I was reading an instruction, sabing ganun, use 4 tablespoon of sugar or something like that. And then, kausap ko yung friend ko, sabi ko ganun, 4 tablespoon, ano yun? Tapos sabi niya, di yan, hawak mo. Sabi, yung spoon lang. So, until now, laughing matter yan. Pero, yeah, so probably I'll just use 4 tablespoon of vinegar and then water. And then, siguro switch on yung microwave oven for, let's say, 4 minutes. Hanggang sa, or let's say, 3 minutes na lang. Let it boil. And then, huwag niyo muna siyang bubuksan after 15 minutes. After that, let's see what will happen, okay? And so, I'm back. And 15 minutes have passed. So, yan. So, all you need now is a sponge. You actually don't need ng dish washing liquid. Just wipe it with this one. And let's see. So, I'll try to do it. Tignan natin kung matatanggalan niya. So, make sure na dapat walang sabon. So, medyo messy siya. So, I'll show it to you once I'm done. I'll just use this one. I'll make sure na walang cheating. Okay? Yan! Ito na siya. The finished product. Tada! Parang wala naman pinagbago. Medyo luminis lang na onte. Pero, well, it's my first time to clean a microwave oven. Kaya siguro medyo madumi na. But, pretty much that's it. So, I'll get back. I'll return with a different topic. Promise.